what's going on, guys? So first and foremost, I want to say Merry Christmas, and I really appreciate all the support this year. I've had a rough year personally. I don't want to get too much into my personal business because this is about trucks, right? But we had a hailstorm, a tornado, my basement flooded and stuff, and we kept going. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for the support, the likes, subscribes, all that stuff. I hope 2025 is a better year. My family's healthy, so I'm not going to complain. I'm healthy. My kids are healthy. I mean, that's what it is important at the end of the day. So today's video, I ordered some Borne off-road billet tow hooks that I'm going to install real quick. This will be a short video, but I think they're cool. Let me open the box and I'll show you guys what we're working with here. So this is what I got. I got Ford F-150 trimmer gold. I don't know why. 13 Gens did not have a trimmer variation, but I thought they were kind of cool. I think it's a unique color. Everybody does blue, red, or black. And it's not a Raptor R. It's not a GMC Sierra AT4. Those all have red tow hooks, so I went different. I got the gold. We'll see how they look on the silver truck, black wheels, all that fun stuff. The truck, I mean, it has no color on it other than the amber fog lights I did in the last video. It's black and silver. That's all it is. So I wanted to splash a color, and I went gold. So Borne Off-Road, ordered these, and the only hesitation I have with these is they have mountains on there, and I live in Kansas. It's flat as a pancake. I love this state. We have the most beautiful sunrise and sunsets, but we don't have mountains. So my wife made a comment about these. She said, well, it looks like the paint's chipped off on the front, and I don't disagree. Anyways, we're going to install these. I'm going to do an install video, a couple 15mm bolts, I believe, and we'll throw these on here. So, if you've watched my other videos, I'm not super tall. I'm your average height, 5'9". I mean, I'm beautiful, but I'm not super tall. So these will be nice because they have the notches, grooves, whatever. You can stand on these and check your oil or whatever it is. So let's slap these bad boys on and see what they look like. So I'm doing an install on these. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot of install videos. I don't know why. This is why. I'm gonna have to figure out how to pull these little trim things off. Give me a minute. I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so I didn't film as much as I wanted to because they were kind of a pain to install. So we got them on. My only gripe about them, like I was saying the other day, is this part is, which, see, that sucks. So we've had a bunch of salt and stuff. I think I just need to clean them off. I don't know if this part's going to corrode since it's billet aluminum. I don't think it will, but it's not focusing. So I had to grab my multi-tool and just cut the shrouds out. It was too cold out. I couldn't get the plastic soft enough to pull out, and it wouldn't have fit with these anyways. So I mean, these things are freaking sturdy. That's how much sticks out. So they do stick out a little bit past the bumper, but I think they look really cool. I am happy with the trimmer gold on there. It's really about the only splash of color on the truck. So I like them. I think they're worth the money. Really well built. They're sturdy. And yeah, so it's cold as crap. It's like 20 degrees out. I'm going to go ahead and end this one off. And it's Monday. I'm off. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the afternoon. So hopefully you guys like these. I've got a couple cool videos coming up. I've got a wireless CarPlay unit. I got new wheels, which you might have saw those just a second ago. And yeah, we've got some other neat stuff coming for the channel. So please like, subscribe, share the videos, and appreciate you guys stopping by. Have a great day, guys.